Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to import invoice line using Dev import invoice line module via invoicing. You can see here our module Dev import invoice line. First install this module, so click on activate button. Now our module is installable. But first I want to create invoice, so go to sales. Create any new order, select customer deco edit and add product of conference chair. Click on confirm button for create sell order. Create invoice. So deco edit for created invoice here. You can see here not any product display. But I want to import here, so click on import invoice line. Select here file type CSV or Excel. And display here product import by which name, internal reference or barcode. Upload your file. I want to upload CSV file and download sample file. You can see here this download storage box and office design. Again back. Now click on import line button. So you can easily see here this storage box and office design software is easily imported here. It's in display quantity 1 and 2. But when we import second time, that's here updatable. So again click on import line. Now I want to select Excel and import by internal reference. Upload my file Excel. You can see here Excel file is downloaded. Again back. Now click on import line button. So you can easily see here this quantity is updatable. Thank you.